Hello everyone, this is Harkanwal Sidhu with your monthly market report for the month of September 2021. We just had another near record high month in sales in September. We had a total of 2,162 sales, which was almost 27% higher than September 2020 when we only had 1,706 units sold, and 11 sales higher than August 2021 when we had 2,151 units sold. While sales activity usually shows seasonal adjustments and gets slower than the spring months, the sales have still been very strong in the previous months. The market continues to favor the seller, but conditions are not as tight as they were earlier this year. Prices have eased slightly relative to a few months ago, but they remain well above levels recorded earlier this year. One thing I really want you to pay attention to is the inventory levels in all categories. Inventory levels are down compared to last year, but they are also down compared to last month as well. Keep in mind, some of those expired or terminated listings might not come back into the market till spring, as most of the sellers don't feel comfortable putting their property up for sale in fall. One more thing that I really want you to pay attention to if you are thinking to buy property in near future is that we have already expected that the interest rates are going to go higher in the near future. Most of you probably already know that yesterday TD Canada Trust has hiked its interest rate on fixed mortgage, and other major banks are going to follow soon. Now let me give you the numbers for month of September 2021. Total sales, we had 2,162 sales, which is almost 27% higher than September 2020, and also 11 sales higher than last month. New listings, we were at 2,907, which was an increase of 6.25% compared to last year, and it was actually also higher than month of August, 2,822. Inventory levels are at 5,607, which is down by more than 10%, and it's also down from month of August when we were at 6,053. Months of supply is at 2.59, which is down by 29%, and days on the market were at 44, which is down by 19% compared to last year, and average price was at 476,041, which is up by 2% for the total sales. Now let's get to detached homes. We had 1,268 sales, which was an increase of more than 20% compared to last year, but pretty close to month of August when we had 1,300 sales. New listings, we were at 1,562, which is an increase of pretty close to 6% compared to last year. Inventory level was at 2,496, which is down by more than 18%, 18.56, and it's also down from month of August when we were at 2,770. Months of supply was at 1.97, which is down by more than 32%, and days on the market were only 36 for detached homes, which is down by 28%. Average price has gone up to $581,104, which is an increase of 6%. As you can see, detached homes are doing really well. In apartment sector, total sales were at 366 sales, which was an increase of more than 51%. We had 332 sales in the month of August. New listings, there were 632 new listings, which was an increase of 8.78%, pretty close to 9%. And inventory levels were at 1,718, which is an increase of 4.88%. And it is actually down from month of August when we were at 1,786. Months of supply is at 4.69, which is down by almost 31% compared to last year. Days on market were at 65. That was down by more than 2%. And average price was at 257,687, which is also down by more than a half a point. In semi-detached homes, total sales, there were 210 sales, which was an increase of 37% compared to last year. And even in the month of August, we had 177 sales. New listings, we had 296 new listings, which is an increase of more than 6%. Inventory was at 517, which is a decrease of 13.26%, and it's also down from month of August when we were at 539. Months of supply is at 2.46, which is down by almost 37%. Days on the market is at 42, which is down by more than 20%, and average price is at 464,602, which is also down pretty close to 3% compared to last year. In row houses, total sales, there were 318 sales, which was an increase of 24.22%. And actually, in month of August, we had 342 sales. So in this category, it's slightly down. New listings were at 417, which was an increase of more than 5%. And inventory was at 876 units, and that is down by 7.69%. And it's also down from month of August when we had 958 units for sale. And months of supply is at 2.75 months, which is down by almost 26%. And days on the market is at 52 days, which is down by almost 14% compared to last year, and average price is at 315,975, which is down from previous year by almost 4%. So as you can see, in detached homes, prices are going up and quite significantly compared to last year. But in other categories, we are still struggling. Sales are quite strong, and inventory levels are the one thing that we really need to watch in the coming days, which way it goes. And the other thing that we really need to pay attention to is the interest rates. We will have to see how it actually affects the market in the near future. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions about real estate, give me a call at 403-689-2345.